Chapter 11. Weather and Seasons. Stepping up. Weather, factors affecting weather, seasons, how seasons affect us. Ma'am, why do we need to come to school on such a cold winter morning? Because this is our school time. Yeah. It is very difficult to come out of bed so early. Outside it is so foggy that driver uncle can hardly see the road. But still I love to come to school. I love my school. Me too. Ma'am, why is it so foggy in winter? I'll tell you. Let's talk about weather and seasons. You will get your answer. Is that okay, Kabir? Thank you, ma'am. Weather. Sometimes, when we go out, we find the outside conditions very pleasant. The day is neither too hot nor too cold. But some other days are hot or cold. Sometimes the day is cloudy or windy. Sometimes it could be rainy or snowy. These different conditions of the surrounding are called weather. Weather is the condition of a place at a given time in relation to heat, cloudiness, wind, rain and cold. Weather keeps changing from day to day. It is also different at different times of the day. Generally, in the morning and evening, the weather is pleasant because we receive slanting rays of the sun. In the afternoon, the weather is hot as the sun is overhead and we receive direct sunlight. The nights are cool because there is no sun. Weather depends on the sun, the humidity, the clouds, the wind and the rains. Sunday. The sun is the main source of heat and light on earth. The amount of sun's heat received in different places is different. If a place receives more sunlight, it is generally hotter than a place which gets less sunlight. The sun's heat also affects the elements of weather like wind, humidity, clouds and rain in a big way. Humidity. You know that the sun's heat plays an important role in evaporation of water. When there is more heat, we see more evaporation. This leads to the presence of more water vapor in air. The weather is said to be humid. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in air. Humid air can store a lot of heat. So, humid days are generally warm. Clouds and rains. The sun's heat warms up the air. It makes the air light and it rises up. The water vapor in air also rises up with it to form clouds. So, the sun also affects cloud formation. On a cloudy day, the rays of the sun are blocked by the clouds. So, the days are not very warm. Dark clouds bring rain. It becomes cool after the rains. Wind. The sun's heat also causes winds. When hot air rises up, cold air from surrounding areas rushes in to take its place and a wind is produced. When the wind is slow, it is called a breeze. Breezy days are generally cool and comfortable. When there are strong winds blowing, we say the weather is windy. Strong winds along with thunder and rains can cause a storm. A storm causes a lot of damage. It can uproot trees. Old and weak buildings too collapse. Fun time. Color the picture. Season. There are 5 types of seasons: summer, rainy, autumn, winter, and spring. These seasons have huge impact on our daily lives. Summer season. Summer season has the hottest and the longest days in the year. Summer nights are smaller. The sun shines direct over the head. The hot winds known as loo blow. People like to wear cotton clothes to protect themselves from the heat of summer. Did you know? June is the hottest month of the year, which crosses temperature of 45 degrees Celsius. Rainy season. Heavy rainfall with lightning and thunder occurs in this season. Sometime we see the rainbow of bright 7 colors appears in the sky during rainy season. We wear raincoats and use umbrellas during rainfall. At very cold places like mountainous regions, the raindrops get freeze and fall in the form of snow and hail. Autumn season. Autumn is a fall season because leaves fall from the trees in this season. The weather is neither hot nor cold. Autumn marks the transition from summer into winter. Winter season. Winter is the coldest season of the year. The days are short and the nights are long. Cold wind blows during these months. At some places, there is snowfall too. We wear woolen clothes in winter. They keep us warm. We like to sit in sunshine and near the bonfire. Spring season. When the sun starts warming up the cold weather, the days become longer and nights become shorter with every passing day. During this season, weather is not so hot and not so cold. It is the season when plants are full of flowers and the trees have new leaves and flowers. Spring enriches natural beauty and it seems nature is dressed in beautiful green gown. A rainbow is an arc of 7 colors appears in the sky when sun shines out through water droplets in the air. Let us say it again. Weather is the day-to-day condition of a particular place at a particular time. Climate is the common weather condition at a particular place over a long period of time. Sun gives us light and heat. Moving air is called wind. There are 5 types of seasons: summer, rainy, autumn, winter, and spring. Water cycle takes place in nature all the time. A rainbow is an arc of 7 colors. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. The weather of a particular place keeps on daily. A. Drying. B. Steady. C. Changing. 2 till noon, the sun rays are A. Slanting. B. Straight. C. None of these. 3. Which is the main source of temperature? A. Sun. B. Moon. C. Wind. 4. Which is the coldest season of the year? A. Summer. B. Spring. C. Winter. 5. Which is the hottest month of the year? A. March. B. June. C. October. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Keeps changing from day to day. 2. Is the amount of water vapor present in air. 3. Strong winds along with thunder and rains can cause a 4. Summer nights are. 5. Winter nights are. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. Sun, air, clouds and rain affect weather. 2. A storm causes a lot of damage. 3. The leaves fall down in spring season. 4. Days are longer in winter. 5. Heavy rain occurs in winter. D. Answer these questions. 1. What is weather? 2. Describe 2 factors which affect the weather. 3. What is climate? 4. Write 3 different features of summer and winter seasons. 5. Write a short note on rainy season. 6. How are clouds formed? HOTS questions. 1. Why is a cloudy night warmer than a night when the sky is clear? 2. What happens when 1. You wear black clothes on a summer day. 2. You put ice cream outside in summer. 3. You put ice cream outside in winter. 4. You hold an ice cube in your hand in summer. 5. You hold an ice cube in your hand in winter. Activity. Make a windsock. Material required: A cylindrical cardboard box, glazed papers of 2 colors, crepe paper streamers, glue, scissors, strings, hole puncher. Process. Cut off the bottom of the cylindrical cardboard box with scissors. Cover the box with glazed paper. Cut small circles from other glazed paper and then stick on the box. Staple the crepe paper streamers to one end of the box as shown. Punch 4 holes with hole puncher along the top margin to the string of the box. Cut 4 small pieces of string and tie their one ends to the holes and other ends together. Take a longer piece of string and tie to the smaller pieces. Make a loop on the other end of the string to hang the windsock. Your windsock is ready to hang on your window or porch. Teacher's tips. Explain the concept of seasons. Explain water cycle with a good chart.